Okay, we're sketching functions here. Now there are some sort of functions you should know the shape of straight away. Now remember that this is a positive quadratic and that's a negative quadratic. You should know that that's a cubic and that's a negative cubic. There you go. Now if I multiplied out these brackets here, okay, I would get a cubic. So it's going to look something like that and it'd be a positive x cubed. So there you go. Alright, now I now need to, and I'm just going to actually get rid of that line because, okay, I now need to have a look at where it's going to cross the x-axis and what have you. So this here is a root, okay, now that means it's going to cross the x-axis at 1. So there we go. So it's going to cross at 1. Now this bit, hold on, where are we? We need, we'll do yellow, there we go. This bit, okay, means it is going to come into contact with the x-axis. Because it's twice, it means it's going to touch it at -2. So here we go. So that's where I'm going to be looking at the x-axis, all right, because of the roots. So it's going to have this shape and it's going to go like this. Now, it's going to go something like that. Remember, it's only a sketch, doesn't need to be really accurate. Okay, but it will say probably in the question, make sure you mark where it crosses the axes. Okay, now it's also going to say where does it cross the y-axis. Now if I multiplied out this, it would come to -4 there because we've got +2 times +2 from here, right, and then times -1 from here. Okay, so it's +2 squared, which is 4 times -1 -4. Now for the next bit, okay, it says sketch f of 2x. Now we know what f of x looks like. F of 2x, however, is going to be sort of twice as thin or half as wide, if you want to think of it like that. So it's going to go to -4. That's not going to change, okay, because it's still the same height as it were, okay, but it's just been squished up. All right, it's a stretch, a one-way stretch parallel to the x-axis. All right, now that means it's going to be half of -2, so it's going to cross at -1 here, and this is going to go to a half here. Okay, and it's still going to have a similar sort of shape. It's going to go like this, and like this, and like this. Okay, so it's going to look very similar. It's going to be sort of a lot thinner. Now, if I had sketch f of x plus 2, for example, it would have it's exactly the same, it's just moved up 2. Alright, if I have 2f of x, exactly the same, but it's twice as tall, so this -4. So if I had, sorry, I'll get a purple actually, I've got purple in the bank, there we go. So if I was doing, if I was doing 2f of x, okay, what that means is that this -4 would become -8. Okay, so it's just certain things to look for, alright, but again they are sketches. It's the shape that you get marks for and it's where it crosses the axes is the other thing you get marks for. Okay.